So let's imagine I found this new website that I want to share with my AP Computer Science students because it has a lot of good resources. So here I am having visited my AP Computer Science class page on the faculty portal, and now I'd like to put this link here somewhere. I'm going to show you how to put it two places. One, inside of a text message like my current welcome message here, or inside of some sort of link card or element all by itself. So let's start by selecting edit. Now if you didn't have a text block already here that could be dragged and reordered or whatever, then you would see it right here and you could just drag it in. So once you see the text here, then we just hit the pencil button to edit the contents of that box, and we can just say check out this site. I will highlight this site, and then as soon as a text is highlighted, you'll see this link button appear enabled. I'll click that, I'll paste my link, and then just for the user's convenience, I'll set it to open up into a new window, so that way they don't get taken away from the portal page when they click on the link. It'll open a new tab. Okay, so insert that link, and there we go. The other way to do that is by creating a link element. So if I made a new links here, there it is. I have some old links still here, but I could create a new link, and I could give it a title, and I'll say cool looking resource, looks like it has some great practice questions. Okay, and the URL is like so. I don't need to add a picture, that I could have it auto sunset, so in case I could have it expire in case it was a short-term announcement that students could sign up for a cool program, but then the program closes here or whatever. Save it, and then I'll publish a layout and changes, and I'll go to the page. There we go. And so now I can see here's a link that opens that up, and also if I scroll down, I can see, oh well, it's going to be at the bottom of all of this. So link show all. Cool looking resource. There it is. You could reorder those in this links setup. I've got some old ones just sort of cluttering the space. But if you have any questions, meanwhile, just let me know. Thanks.